Bolt gutter guards are a quality micro mesh gutter guard with patented technologies in both function and design. Bolt's patented and trademarked Z design is a raised screen design that pulls water in and keeps debris out on any sloped roof. The guard is built on a rigid louvered frame and fits 4-inch to 6-inch gutter interior widths. Bolt is simple to install, easily adaptable to all roof and gutter types, and is a low cost compared to similar brands. Bolt gutter guards come in 4 colors: white, brown, charcoal, and milled finished aluminum. For gutter guards to work correctly, there are several factors to consider when installing. There are 5 main factors for gutter guards to have top performance. First, consider whether you need the standard 40 mesh or the larger 24 mesh, the angle of both the roof and the gutter guard, the material with which the roof is made, the run or length from the gutter to the ridge top, and the flow or amount of water it can handle. At Bolt, safety is our #1 priority. Inspect all tools and equipment for signs of wear before installing. You will need the following tools to properly install your Bolt gutter guard system: a secure and sturdy ladder with slip-resistant feet and preferably with a Type 1 or 1A rating, a rechargeable drill, a 1/4-inch hex drive, both in short and long shaft, metal cutting snips, both tinner and aviation type, silicone caulking and leak seal spray, pliers, safety goggles, and a gutter scoop for clearing out the gutters. The following tools are also recommended. It is also recommended to have a clean and clear workspace. Next, lay out your Bolt gutter guard pieces, verifying all ordered and required pieces are present. Bolt gutter guards come in 4-foot sections with 2 mesh sizes available. The standard mesh is a 40 mesh screen, ideal for 612 sloped roofs or less. The larger mesh screen is a 24 mesh, ideal for 712 sloped roofs or higher. And the valley miter, which comes in an 18 mesh screen for higher flow areas. 45-degree pre-cut 2-foot sections are also available at no additional cost. Prior to installing your Bolt gutter guards, you will need to thoroughly clean all gutters and downspouts. Repair any sections of your gutter that need repair, making sure all seams are sealed and not leaking. Last, wipe down the outsides of your gutters and downspouts. Bolt ships from the factory with an extra 1/2-inch screen. Before installing, you will need to fold the extra screen under the guard, so when the 2 pieces come together, there is a clean connection. To best fit the valley miter, mark the areas required to fully cover the gutter. Next, remove the excess screen. The Bolt valley miter is used for inside miters on valleys and high water flow roof areas, or highly pitched roofs. The large mesh product comes in the standard 4-foot bolt sections, but is fitted with the larger mesh screen. To create a straight cut, draw a guideline on the gutter guard to follow. Using the larger aviation tin snips, cut the front lip of the gutter guard. Turning the guard around, cut the rear wing of the guard. Next, turn the guard over and cut both louver channels. Using the lighter tinner snips, cut the remaining mesh screen to finish. You can also use a chop saw to make this cut. When using a chop saw, make sure to reverse the blade, putting it on backwards so the teeth cut backwards and not forward. This will reduce the risk of the blade catching on one of the louvers. Determine the ideal target angle to use and install as close as possible to this target angle. It is recommended to install the inside corners first, followed by the outside corners, finishing the installation by filling the straight sections between the corners. The rear fascia install method allows for some adjustments of the rear wing up or down to allow for the correct guard angle to be achieved. It is recommended to attach the rear wing to the fascia before attaching the front lip screws. This too allows some adjustment of the guard to reach the desired angle. If the angle of the guard is too high, lower the rear wing and attach to the fascia. If lowering the wing is not possible, cut the back wing horizontally to achieve the desired install angle. Run a small bead of silicone sealant between the gap of the guard wing and the fascia after the guard is secure to prevent small pieces of debris from wedging in. There are several methods to connect bolt gutter guards to the end caps of your gutters. In this video, we will discuss one method. Locate the end cap's top ridge on your gutter. Using pliers, fold up the top ridge. This lessens the gap between the gutter and the gutter guard. Seal the remaining gap with silicone. Using the pre-cut miter pieces from the factory, install outside corner gutter guards, making sure the corner pieces fit snugly. Topping the seam with a sheet metal cover. Cover any gap with silicone sealant using the silicone as a glue.